Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wise First. Today, we have something exciting for you. We are diving into the world of AI powered websites that will take your music production to new heights. Get ready for the top 10 AI websites for music producers. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have Lalal.ai. This amazing website lets you extract individual sounds from any song with a simple drag and drop interface. Need to separate the drums from the melody or sample a specific instrument? Lalal.ai has got you covered. Next up, at number 9, we have Samplet.io. This website revolutionizes the way you discover samples. With just a click of button, it scouts YouTube for samples based on your preferences. You can filter by genre, year, and even views, allowing you to find those hidden gems and unique sounds for your tracks. Moving on to number 8, we have playphrase.me. This website is a treasure trove for finding specific phrases or words within movie scenes. Whether you are looking for speech samples, producer tags, or random vocals to add a unique touch to your beats, playphrase.me has got you covered. At number 7, we have Jarvis. This AI-based lyric generator is a songwriter's dream. Simply input the parameters such as artist, genre, and year, and let Jarvis generate captivating lyrics that align with your artistic vision. It's an incredible tool for breaking through writer's block and finding that perfect verse. Coming in strong at number 6, we have Uberduck.ai. This website allows you to transform any text into the voice of your favorite rapper. Imagine collaborating with virtual versions of Drake, Kendrick Lamar, or Cardi B. It's a fantastic way to add a unique flavor to your tracks and explore new creative possibilities. Now, let's move on to number 5, Amadeus Code. This app combines the power of AI and music theory to help you generate ideas for your beats or songs. With its intuitive interface, you can easily explore different genres, customize parameters, and create inspiring melodies that set the foundation for your compositions. At number 4, we have Aiva.ai, another melody generator that will spark your creativity. With just a few clicks, you can create beats in various genres. While not every generated melody will be a masterpiece, Aiva.ai is a fantastic source of inspiration and a starting point for your music production journey. Now, let's move on to number 3, where we encounter Magenta. Developed by Google, Magenta offers an array of AI music tools for experimentation, from drum bots and loop generators to sample blending. Magenta opens up a world of creative possibilities for producers who love to explore unique sounds. Taking the number 2 spot is Cyanite.ai, a website designed to help you organize your music library effortlessly. With its AI-powered algorithms, Cyanite.ai categorizes your tracks by tempo, key, genre, and mood. No more endless searching. Find the perfect track for any project with just a few clicks. And now, the moment you have all been waiting for. At number 1, we have Orb Producer. This collection of AI-powered plugins, including Melody Orb, Bass Orb, Arpeggios Orb, and Synth Orb, provides unparalleled creativity and versatility. Whether you need fresh ideas, variations, or sections for your compositions, our producer has you covered. Remember, these AI websites are incredible tools to enhance your music production process, but they cannot replace the human touch and creativity. Embrace them as sources of inspiration and use them to elevate your musical vision. That concludes our countdown of the top 10 AI websites for music producers. I hope you found this video helpful and that these websites inspire you to create amazing music. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content, and until next time, keep making beautiful music.